So over here, you can see that I got a bunch of audio clips. And let's say I want to split out the audio clips right here. So right now, if I were to go around onto time shift tool and click and drag this, then you can see that this is a single clip. Let's say I want to divide it right on the center. So in order to do that, I can go around and then take my selection tool right here, click here. And then what I can do is I can go around into edit. I can go around into clip boundaries, and over here you can see split is an option. If you were to click on split, then what happens is that this is splitted out right here. And now what you can do is you can take the time shift tool right here, click and drag, and you can see that now there are two different set of clips, and you can drag them wherever you want. Similarly, we can go ahead and then select this, select the cursor right here, the selection tool, click anywhere you want. You can go around, and if you want to split out clips, you can go around over here onto edit, onto clip boundaries, split it, and now it is a separate clip, as you can see, and you can move these splitted clips wherever you want. And that is how you can split clips inside of Audacity. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.